Good morning everyone, I am Anush. Please choose your greeting from the greeting chart.
Hello.
Hello ma'am. Today we have two passwords. One is entry password, one is exit password. When you step in, please tell the entry password. When you step out, please tell the exit password. Please tell the entry password.
4. 1 plus 3 is 4.
Wow, it is the correct answer. Welcome to our Max lab.
Good morning, ma'am. Will you answer this question, please?
Yes.
This is addition tape.
Okay.
Good morning, dear parents. Welcome to Chrysalis Day. We are from grade 1. We learned addition in our math class. Addition means putting two numbers together. Today we are going to play a fun game with two addition bingo. We also have some quiz cards with addition sums. Are you ready to play with us?
Yes.
We request you to pick any one bingo card.
Just. Oh, no. Wait a minute. I have taken a bit card, yes.
Now we will ask you some questions. If answer is still, mark it with given marks.
Thank you.
The first parent to mark full row or column or diagonal will shout bingo. What is 2 plus 3?
Yes.
What is 3 plus 3?
Yes.
What is 5 plus 1?
Very good. Done. Next.
What is 5 plus 4?
Let the answer come once. Yes. 5 plus 4. 9.
What is 0 plus 1?
It is 1. Bingo.
Wow, we have winners. Congratulations. Which clap you want?
I want chapati clap.
Need. Roll.